this video, we're going to talk about the trade setup with Robinhood. You might have to Google how to get level 3 options through Robinhood so that you can place these trades. On June 16th, we gave out this alert for HYRE. We used the July 16th expiration. We sold the $20 calls. We bought the $22.50 calls for protection. We entered the option strategy with $1.25. And in this strategy, we're collecting premium and time decay, so we want the price to go down. And our target was 60 cents. Price decided to go totally against us by 15%. Then 20 days later, it worked out perfectly, giving us all of our profit. Today, you can see it kept going down, lower, lower, lower. So the next information that I give you is going to be really important. When you see the alert, HYRE, that's obviously the ticker. Next, you'll see the price of the stock when we put out the alert. After that, you'll see BE, which stands for break even. That means we want the price of the stock to stay under $21.25 by expiration, and we'll be able to collect our profit. It does not mean that price cannot go over this before July 16th. It just means at July 16th, it cannot be above it. This is called a bear call spread. So obviously we want price to go down like we saw in the stock picture. In this strategy, we're going to sell the $20 calls and we're going to buy the $22.50 calls for protection. To enter into the trade, it's going to be $1.25. We're going to make this sell to open and it's going to be red. Then GTC, because we're going to close the computer after we put in this trade, which means good till cancel. Then once the trade takes place, we're going to come back into the computer and put down 60 cents. Again, we want this to sell, so we want it to go to 00, but in this case, we're going to take 50% profit off at 60 cents. And buy to close, because we're closing out the trade, we have to buy it back. GTC, good till cancel, because we're not going to wait for this trade to happen. We're going to let it happen naturally. So here's the Robinhood setup. Step 1, buy the protection, which is $22.50. Step 2 is sell, that's why the line's red, the $20 strike price. And that will give you a call credit spread. First was buy, and that's why we have the plus sign there, $22.50. C stands for calls. Then the second is sell, the $20 calls. With that setup, the break even should be about $21.25. And we see that here, $21.18. Price was a little bit lower than our $21.25. And you can also see that the expire is good for the day. We want that to be good till cancel. STO, sell to open. GTC, good till cancel. And now we have expires, good till cancel. We have the limit price set at $1.25. And here's the term STO, sell to open. As you can see, from $22.50 to $20, that's a $2.50 spread. The limit order being $1.25 is half of that spread between the two strike prices. So this is a 1-to-1 trade. Because we have 100 shares and 100 shares equals one contract and we have two contracts, that would technically make this 200 shares times $1.25 equaling the $250. Once the order is filled, go back in and put BTC on that vertical spread trade at 60 cents, good till cancel, so you can collect your profit. There's lots of cool features on Robinhood that I suggest you research and find all these things out so you best know how to use their service. Just because it's free doesn't mean there's not going to be a learning curve on how to use that brokerage firm alongside with this trading strategy. So you might want to demo account a couple of trades first.